So the first thing that I'm noticing is this raised lip around the rear camera certainly looks huge on this case. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, autonomous vehicles, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is OtterBox's Symmetry Series Cactus leather case for none other than the iPhone Air right here. So before I start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending this case out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, OtterBox. But without further ado, let's start checking this guy out. Here we go. So now the first thing you're going to notice about this box is there's a big cutout so you can actually touch and see the case itself. It says Symmetry Series Cactus Leather by OtterBox up here. There's a thin to thick scale down here, and it says 3 times tested to military drop standards, crafted with organic nopal cactus, sorry. MagSafe compatible, and it's for the iPhone 17 Air, which doesn't exist, it's just the iPhone Air, but that's okay. Over on the back, it's got a limited warranty as well as raised edges to protect the camera and screen. But let's just go ahead and see what this case actually has to offer so we can pull it out of the box right here and check it out. So we're ready to put it in my iPhone. Should be pretty simple, just like that. And boom, there it is. So the first thing that I'm noticing is this raised lip around the rear camera certainly looks huge on this case. Now, I don't know if it's bigger or smaller than other cases. Maybe it's just the color they picked of this, but this looks huge. So that's just something to note right there. But otherwise, the rest of the case looks very, very thin or slim, whatever you want to call it. And I like the appearance besides this massive raised lip here, because I do think this silver looks like it has a very, very nice contrast with this blue color, as well as the blue of my iPhone Air. So right here, it says OtterBox, and then we've also got some volume buttons, nice and clicky, and the action button right there, side button right here if you want to talk to Siri, camera control button right here, works just fine. Yes, and we can even do the sliding function as well, so that's good. And over here on the bottom, we got the USB-C port as well as the cutouts for the speaker grills. So yeah, what I want to do now is actually test out if this case works with Apple's MagSafe battery pack, and this is the wrong battery pack. Let me go grab that. So here is Apple's for the Air. Let's plop it on, and yes, that does connect successfully, so that is very good. Sticks on just fine and also charges just fine. So if that works, even given that this battery pack doesn't work with certain cases, any MagSafe accessory really should just work fine. So here's Anker's MagSafe battery pack. Also works, so that is super good news right there. And yeah, I just think this is cool. This cactus leather has a cool feeling to it. It does feel like normal leather pretty much. So I definitely like it. It's just this raised lip around the rear camera, this is calling quite a bit of attention, I feel like, to the phone, right? I feel like this is maybe bigger than it needs to be. I don't know, because it is a pretty big rear camera bump compared to the rest of the phone, but otherwise I like this case. And I mean, yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about this OtterBox Symmetry Series Cactus case for the iPhone Air right here. If you want it for yourselves, it will set you back about $70. So yes, on the pricier side of iPhone Air cases, but feel free to let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. And if you are in the market for your very own iPhone Air accessories and cases, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different ones that I've made videos about. And spoiler alert, it is a lot. So I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video. And also, if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.